and foremost, let me work out some visualization. Say I'm having two group of data with me. So one group is this square. Other group is, I'll say I am actually you can say round shapes are there. I'm having 6 values with me. If I got a new value, see here, or one value is here. Let me color it red, and let me will be going for this round class. That's the case which we are working on currently. So let me see how see how best we can calculate their occurrence. So as name says is KNN, K nearest neighbor. So formula would be, we are preferring that if my dot is near to which group, then I'll associate the particular this icon to the respective group. Similarly, this red icon is with round group, and I should associate this to the round group only. So for that purpose only, we are having some calculations. So we are working out, we are saying we will be getting distance of your red icon with your all points available on a graph. Similarly, we'll be having this green icon, distance to be calculated with all available icons. So based on distance available, so suppose I take an example of, I'm calculating first. Let me take a for red case. I'll putting up the case. So I'll say I'm calculating distance with all available data points. And the lowest distance would be eligible for assigning the group to this red icon. So lowest distance, obviously that would be from this. This would be my lowest distance. So I'll prefer to associate this red icon to this group. Similarly, I'll do the same case to this green icon. I'll be calculating distance from this green icon to our rest of object available on graph. Similarly, so we can easily say that my lowest distance would be here. So based on lowest distance, I can classify this this green icon would be from this square group. So for this easy technique of getting association of a group, if the lowest distance is available for respective data points belong to the special group, the new data point would be allocated to the respective group only. So let's take an example how this this distance will get calculated. We heard about Pythagoras theorem at our school times. So for that thing we are using currently. So see, I'm having one point here, and my new point is, let me see, this is my new point. I'll take it red. So I'm being asked to get the distance of this. So the pretty easy case. So I'll take up this center point. This is my x. Then this is my y. Similarly, this is my x. And this is my intersection y. So I do have values with me. This is my x1. This is my x2. And this is my y1. And this is my y2. If I being asked to get a distance, so I need to get this blue line distance. For that, I can use this case, say this line and this. So we heard about Pythagoras, so it would be like this. So if I take it as a, this distance as a, and this distance b, so I can say like this. This is I take let's see. So I say C equal to A square plus B square. The square root is my C. So C is what I am calculating for each data points from my new data points. So after getting all D's, I will rank my D's in ascending order. The nearest point group will be associated with the new data point. So if I get a lowest distance for this round shaped group, then my red icon would be associated with the round shaped group. The similarly green case, I am having least distance with my square group. Then this green dot with green icon will be associated with the green group, this square group. So similarly the case is there. So we have to make sure we understand the conceptual calculation of KNN before going for data analytics. So this is a distance which I have to calculate for each data points available with the existing data point along with the your new data points. So let's work out the calculation part.